apartment is it?
Hello. Michael in the house? Michael Green?
I don't know.
No? He's in the house with you.
I wasn't even in the house. I just
You don't
came
live
from
here?
upstairs. I do live here, but I don't know.
You don't know?
Michael Green.
Can I go like that?
Yeah, I don't know Michael Green.
Okay.
Listen. If he's in there, you need to
I
tell
don't
us.
know a Michael Green.
Okay,
About Michael Anthony Harris.
Hey, sir,
I don't
she
know
don't live
that
up.
name.
I mean, she
I
stayed
don't
up. The
know
girl,
that
his
name.
girl is
I
starting
don't
up.
know.
A light skinned girl, and the dude that's with the gun. I
Okay.
think he ended up, or he just jumped out the
What?
window. I'm not sure.
Okay. Can you open this door for me, please?
His name is Michael Harris. They call him Michael Mike.
Michael Mike.
Anna Mike.
Anna Mike.
Yep.
Let me get away from this door. I'll step
I
aside.
don't know. It may be unlocked. I don't have my keys. I'm checking my keys.
Police department, show me your hands! Hands! Hands!
He's in that door.
Hands! Go! Go! Ah, fucker! Put the gun down!
Hands up!
Put your hands up!
Hands up! Ah! I'm hit!
All right, we got hey, one of them phone guys is hit.
Shots fired, watch it out.
No!
Open that door!
Who else we got in there?
Hey! The woman that's screaming! You need to put your hands up right now and open that door!
Get back, get back.
Fucking shit.
Here, watch out.
Hey,
He's closing the door. That's me.
open the door right now! We're not gonna shoot you! Open the door!
Open the door. We're not gonna shoot. Open the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's in front of the door.
He's not. Listen. Look, you're supposed to both my hands. You're supposed to both my hands.
Okay, I see your fingers. Shut the door open.
Listen.
Come to the side of my voice. Just come to the side of my voice. Follow me.
Okay.
All right, she's coming out. She's coming out. Come to me, sweetie. Come to me. Yeah, I got you. Come to me. Come to me. I'm not shooting. Come to me. Come to me. Get out the door. All right, right out the door. I'm coming out.
Out the door.
I'm coming out. Yo, secure her. Secure her.
Where is he at? Who can see him?
He said she's down in front of the door.
Get out of the doorway.
Yesterday. God, listen to me. Please call the ambulance. Please call the ambulance, please. Please call the ambulance.
Yeah, you good, boss?
Hey, I'm hit in the chest.
You want to back out of here?
Nah, no, I'm getting this fucker.
Oh, we got them, boss.
Suspect description. Alright, he's in the back room blocking the door.
You got eyes? I don't see anything from this side.
Show me your hands!
Son of a bitch.
Show me your hands right now!
They're both on.
Yeah, don't go to it, though.
Don't go to that window.
Hey, I need you to stack a bomb, you alright?
All right, coming up.
shut each other down for now, please.
You got gloves on you, boss? I can start in there, Nick.
No, I got no gloves on me. Fuck this guy.
You okay?
I got hit in the chest. I'm good, man.
Come out here so we can get you help.
He's all right. I got this. Go. I got this. You good?
Motherfucker.
Come out here so you can get help.
7921.
He's coming out.
No, I'm hit in the chest.
Seriously?
Where you at?
For all three. Injured officer outside. Injured officer outside. And suspect.
I'm all right, man.
10-4, you just secure them. That's 10-4 secure. Have them roll up, please. Shooter is down.
Oh, I can't breathe.
He got hit in the chest.
Just make sure our watch commanders aware. 10-4.
Can you put this in the car?
10 Bravo 50 Central coming on scene. Yeah.
No, you don't want to rip it? All right. No hole, brother. No hole.
Yes.
Pulling your shirt up. What a hell of a bruise. You're a lucky motherfucker. You all right?
Doesn't look like he went through. So he's breathing, and Jack.
Is anybody else here or just you?
Hey, let me see your medical show. There's another victim.
What?
Your medical show?
What do you need?
I don't
Dead.
know. Here, buddy. You're a bad bitch, man. I want you